Okay. Truck. Produce 100 decibel sound level. 100 decibel sound level. Okay. Car horn at 1 meter distance. Okay, at 1 meter distance, which produce 110 decibel sound level. Loud thunder. Okay, which produce 120 decibel. Aircraft taking off. Aircraft taking off when aeroplane take off. Okay, produce 120 decibel sound level, because means feeling is painful. Okay. Rocket engine. One 80 decibel sound level. Okay, so with the help of these two tables, you understand the source of sound, their sound level in decibel, and what are the feelings within the range of loudness. Okay, let us move to another important topic. Major sources of noise pollution. First, road traffic. Second, air and rail traffic. Third, neighborhood and domestic noise. This neighborhood and domestic noise you always feel during my classes. Okay, but I have no control to stop this noise. Sorry for that, but this is really major problem during our classes. Neighborhood and domestic noises. Fourth, noise from industry. Noise from industries. Noise from industry. Okay. So this is all about major source of noise pollution. Okay. See, Road traffic noise is one of the most widespread and growing environmental problems which really big problem of sound pollution, and the main reason of the tremendous increase in traffic in cities, and also road carry heavy traffic run close to residential area without any buffer zone to absorb the noise. As a result, large number of people are victim to levels of traffic noise that are harmful to our health. Okay, you know that for our body, for our ear, more than 120 decibel sound level is 120 or more than 120 is painful. It means we come in trouble, our health come in trouble. Okay, when sound level is very loud, okay, our ear get damaged. So this is the major, one of the most widespread problem or major source of noise pollution, which is road traffic. Second, air and rail traffic in area close to the airport and railway tracks. The sound of aeroplanes and trains are major source of noise pollution. Okay. Third, neighborhood and domestic noise. Barking dogs, car horns, loud music, TVs, loudspeaker, building construction, household noise, gossip of peoples are some of the major source of noise pollution in neighborhood. Okay, and domestic noise. Fourth, noise from industries. At many places, industries are located in close to residential areas or within the residential areas. There are the many activities related to industry such as sound of machine, horn that cause noise pollution. So these are major cause of noise pollution. You have to make a short note about major source of noise pollution. Write a short note about this topic, okay, and move to another topic. Harmful effects of noise pollution. Harmful effects. Harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution. Noise can affect human health as being in a number of ways. Okay, exposure of high noise level can cause permanent hearing loss due to damage of eardrums. Prolonged exposure to noise with the volume more than 70 decibels can cause gradually hearing loss and can even lead to permanent hearing loss. See, more than 70 decibel. More than 70 decibel can cause gradually hearing loss and can even lead to permanent hearing loss. Okay, high noise level can also lead to nervous tension and increased blood pressure. People experiencing high noise level experience sleep deprivation and increased number of headaches, and therefore so increase to taking sleeping pills. Okay, so these are the problems in our generation to hear loud sound which really makes unpleasant for our health.